Hey guys, I want to do a quick little walk around video. This was taken actually in the dealer lot. As you can see, it's filthy, but this was right where they stored the car. I don't think anybody ever test drove it either. Just sat in their back lot here, not even on the main lot where you can, like, when you pull into the dealership. But I'll do a quick rundown today, but later on I'll do a more in-depth review as far as like the size of the vehicle, what I like, don't like about it, and all that kind of stuff, and especially comparing it to my Accord, just the differences, because there are quite a bit, and pros and cons to both, for sure. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick look, and this is exactly like when I got it. Like I said, it hasn't been cleaned or nothing, but as you can see here, has all the plastic still on this. Super handling all-wheel drive. Has 11 miles. The tags on it. Like I said, this is just really quick. And then here it is, guys, in my garage. Definitely need to get a wax on this for sure. As you guys know, these cars just sit outside. So that's coming up for sure. First thing I always do. But just a quick little walk around so you can see it. And of course, this is cleaned up how they detailed it. Of course, it's not the best job, but it'll do. Shines up really good. I love the color. If you guys know me, I've always had silvers a lot. My wife wanted me to get this. I was holding out for silver, but they couldn't get it. And I don't really see too many of these in silver, so I don't think they make as many. But I like it with this darker color, especially with the lines, how sculpted it is. I like it. It just shows dirt really quick. That's what I have noticed. But I think it looks really sharp. Like I said, the darker color picks up all the body lines. And I like how it has the black accents. As you guys know, the A-Spec model has that. And like I said, later on I'll do in-depth video of what the A-Spec model comes with, what it adds, you know, pricing, all that kind of stuff, if you guys don't know already. But I just want to give you a quick little walk around before I start modding it too much and doing some little changes to it. But it's very clean. I like it. I love how it handles. That's the number one thing I can say, is the all-wheel drive system is spectacular in this car. Really nice though. It is heavy. It is a heavy car. That was one of the negatives a lot of people said, and you can feel the weight when you take off. But like I said, the super handling all-wheel drive works great with this. Very planted. And then here's, again, just a quick run through of how it looks inside. Of course, I set the ambient lighting to red. And again, I'll go over that as well. It's one of the nice things about this one. You can change all the colors. So for me, if you can see, it has plenty of back room for us. It is smaller than the Accord, I will say that. So if you're really tall, it's probably not the best car if you have a lot of tall riders on the back, because it is noticeably smaller, but we're not tall, so it works perfect for us. I do like the A-Spec, comes with aluminum gauges with the red backlit face on it. I do like that, looks sharp. Just some nice touches with the aluminum trim here. Amazing sound system. That alone is light years ahead of anything that I've heard in the cars I've had. Has 17 speakers. Just the way it has the sound does not distort. It picks up every little piece, every little sound. I'll do a video on that, but the speaker's not going to do it justice, of course, but give you just an idea. But if you have a chance, if you haven't, check out the sound systems in the Acuras. They're really good. That alone makes it worth it. I love listening to music. I have to have music. So I was really impressed with that. Like I said, and then, of course, I didn't get away from the Honda brand, and this still has that Honda feel. Like if you notice the buttons, the script that they use when the writing's on the buttons, it's all Honda. It has that same feel to it. Like the door switches, the handles, all that kind of stuff. You can tell it's a Honda still, and that's what I liked. I was looking at the Lexus, and they're sweet too, but I just can't leave the Honda brand. They've treated me very well. I've never had them break down on me and all that kind of stuff. So That's why I chose this. Just wanted something different. Like I said, I've had Accords so many. I've probably had 6 or 7 Accords so far in my life. So I want to try this. And like I said, I'll go over the pros and cons with you guys. Because I'll be honest, you know, it's not all perfect, of course, especially for the money you spend. But like I said, as I get to use this car more, I'll find flaws in it. I'll let you guys know all that, if it's a great purchase, if what I would do differently, all that kind of stuff. But hopefully this gives you guys a little insight of what they look like if you haven't seen any yet. And then I'll also do a video at nighttime so you can see all the lights on it. They did a really good job on the lights on this, all LED. As you can see inside, a lot of ambient lighting. That's stock. Has the ambient lighting in the footwells, all that stuff. But I'll do another video so you guys can check that out as well. But I just want to give you a quick little overview of what it looks like. So I appreciate it. I really do. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll definitely get back to you. And I'll have another video coming up really shortly. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.